We are making a tasty treat for you today. Guess what's up? Yes, peanut cakes. This is a Jamaican recipe, authentic peanut cake. All you need is 3 simple ingredients: peanuts, sugar, and water. You can add a pinch of salt if you so desire. Some have put vanilla, some have put cinnamon, some have put ginger, but we just prefer the natural taste of the peanuts. This is what you do. Put a pound of peanut and a pound of sugar and enough water to let that cover that peanut, or put a little more than the water to cover the peanuts. And you're going to let it boil and boil and boil. This is what it looks like after about an hour and a half to 2 hours of boiling, I think. Let it get to that desired thickness. You see how thick it is? And at this point, you're going to need to keep stirring. Put a cookie sheet with some water in it, set it aside, because you're going to drop the peanuts in that. And you're going to continue to stir when it gets to this point. You have to stay close to the kitchen and constantly check. Doing the spoon test right there. When it starts to stick to the spoon, you know that it's near ready. And you check to see the amount that's sticking to the spoon. And look at the sides of the pot there. So when you're turning and you're turning, you see that little white crust forming. That's when you know that it's done or almost done. There, we're ready to drop now. Empty the water from the cookie tray and you start to place your peanuts, a full spoon, and you place them so that they're not quite touching each other, just a little bit of space in between. And there you have it, your tasty peanut cakes. Well, put that to cool, and when it's done, you're gonna give the cookie sheet a little bit of a jiggle, and then you gently turn and get the peanuts out. Thank you for watching.